today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy and inexpensive natural deodorant. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use a 1/4 cup of baking soda. And we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of arrowroot flour. Now if you don't have arrowroot flour, you can use cornstarch. Either one will work just as well. And then we're going to mix up our dry ingredients good, mix them together. And now that we have those mixed up, so I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side, and then we'll get a bowl for our wet ingredients and we'll mix those up. Okay, so now we're going to put in our essential oils and our carrier oil together. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get 6 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. Now you could also use the 76-degree oil that we sell, and you can melt that in a double boiler and it'll do the same thing, but we're going to omit that step this time. Okay, so there's our 6 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil, and we sell this in our shop. And then now that we've got that, we're going to put in 20 drops of tea tree essential oil. Now what the tea tree oil does is it's antimicrobial, so it'll kill the bacteria, because actually whenever you sweat, your sweat doesn't smell. What smells is the bacteria on your skin working on the sweat. So if we kill the bacteria on the skin, then we don't have any odor. So that's why this deodorant works so well, because the tea tree oil actually kills the bacteria. Now, we want to put some scent in this, just so that it's got a little bit of a scent to it. And now for the ladies, you can use geranium oil. We also sell this in our shop, or lavender oil, anything that's got a floral scent to it. But for me, I tend to use sandalwood oil. But I like sandalwood because it's used in the perfuming industry a lot for male colognes. So we're going to put in 20 drops of sandalwood here. So now we're going to mix that together, and then we're going to put this into our dry ingredients. It has a nice masculine scent to it. So now we're going to slowly add this to our dry ingredients. And now this makes almost a paste-like consistency, you can see. And it'll harden up somewhat after we put it in the jar and it dries. So I've got these nice jars that we put it in, and it's an amber glass jar, so it keeps the light out. So we're just going to put this into the jar. I'm actually just going to pour it in there this way. And these 4-ounce jars are perfect for this because it just about fills the jar up. And there you have it. Now, I'll shoot this again after this dries a little bit, because it's not this consistency whenever you get ready to put it on. It's a lot thicker consistency than this. So we're going to let this dry for a while, and then I'll shoot it once it gets dry and let you see what the consistency is. But this is a real easy way to make all natural deodorant, so you don't have any kind of chemicals or anything added to it. Now, the thing about this deodorant is it is deodorant, it's not an antiperspirant, so it won't stop you from sweating, but it will stop you from stinking. I actually use it every day and it works great. Okay, so here you can see the deodorant has thickened, and I always put some nice labels on them so that I can remember what's in the bottle. And as you can see, It has a nice creamy consistency. So, and the coconut oil rubs into your skin real good, so it doesn't leave you oily feeling under your arms. So what I usually do is take my shower in the morning, put this stuff on right after I get out of the shower, and then go ahead with my morning. And I can assure you this keeps you from smelling bad all day, so it's great deodorant. Like I said, it's not an antiperspirant, so it won't stop you from sweating, but what it will do is stop the sweat from stinking, and that's what you really want. So try to make some of this all natural deodorant, try it out for yourself and see what you think and let me know. Oh, and I almost forgot, whenever you make this, you can buy empty deodorant sticks online, and since this starts out a little bit wet, you can put that into the deodorant sticks and let it set up and reach this consistency, and you can use it in just a regular underarm roll-on stick. So that's something to keep in mind too if you don't want to use it out of a jar. Just wanted to tell you that. So make some of this. Let me know how it works in the comments section, and we'll see you in the next video.